Welcome to the wacky world of bonsai biology. Imagine you are a tree. Now, imagine you are a really small tree. That's what a bonsai is, except it does not drink the shrinking potion. It's just really good at staying small. So, how do these pint-sized plant work? Let's go to the roof of it, shall we? First thing first, the roots. Bonsai trees might be small, but they have some serious underground action going on. Their roots are meticulously pruned to keep the tree from turning into jolly green giant. It's like root version of a stick diet plan. Bonsai roots get just enough room to keep them healthy without letting them go wild and take over the garden. Moving on up, we have the trunk. A bonsai trunk is like a bodybuilder bicep. It is strong, sturdy, and often shaped in the way that make you go, wow! How did they do that? Bonsai enthusiasts use wires, pruning, and a little bit of tree yoga to achieve those beautifully contorted shapes. It is like tree origami, but with less paper cuts. Now let's just talk about the branches and leaves. These are where the magic truly happens. Every single leaf and branch is pruned with the precision of a Swiss watchmaker. It's bit like a botanical beauty salon where each tree gets a VIP treatment. The goal, to make the tree look like a full-sized one. If you squint hard enough while fitting comfortably on your coffee table. Photosynthesis is the superpower of all plants. And bonsai trees are no exception. They may be small, but they are solar-powered dynamos. Their leaves still perform the incredible feat of turning sunlight into food through photosynthesis. Just think of them as a tiny green solar panel that keep the tree alive and kicking. But wait, there is more. Bonsai trees have a special relationship with water and nutrients because they are living in such tiny pots. Bonsai trees need a steady supply of water and nutrients. It's like they are on strict high maintenance diet. Overwatering, underwatering, too much fertilizer, not enough fertilizer. It's a delicate balance. Bonsai caretaker's life is like walking a tightrope, except the tightrope is made of roots and leaves. In the grand scheme of things, bonsai trees are like the rock stars of the plant world. They are small but mighty, requiring a lot of care, attention, and a little bit of artistry. They might look like they are just lounging around their tiny pots, but behind the scenes, there is a complex and fascinating biology at work. So, next time you see a bonsai tree, give it a nod of respect. These tiny titans are proof that sometimes the biggest thing really do come in small packages. I hope you enjoyed this amusing take on biology of bonsai trees. If you have more quirky topics in your mind, feel free to share.